Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Hayti Heights, Missouri, a tiny city in eastern Pemiscot County, just beside its neighbor Haiti. Recent estimates put its population at roughly 4 to 180 residents. Hayti Heights officially incorporated in the winter of 1972. That move came after local residents, many of whom had been displaced migrant workers, sought reliable municipal services. Economic hardship is common. Median household income in recent years is low, and a large share of residents live below the poverty line. As a result, there are many vacant or deteriorating homes and properties. What remains is a small, close-quartered community shaped by hard times and history.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!